Hey guys, it's Anna. Welcome back to my channel. So today I have a new Stitch Fix unboxing for you, and this package actually came in, I want to say like on Friday or maybe even Thursday, and it was the long weekend, and I've just been dying to come here and have a moment to open it up with you guys and make this video. So without further ado, let's get started. Okay, so here is my box. I covered up my address, of course. Pretty, I guess, average box. I've had bigger ones, but let's see. If you haven't watched my last Stitch Fix, I'll link it for you right over here. They kind of like messed stuff up, which kind of, I don't know, got me a little bit like annoyed, but it's okay. So hopefully this box is going to be a-okay. So let me get my scissors. Walmart, the best scissors I've ever purchased, and let's see what I have inside. Everything looks good. Let me show you what it looks like. Okay, looks good, looks promising. As always, they include the priority mail envelopes, so whatever you don't like you could send back, or if you need to exchange something, or if you don't like anything for that matter. This feels kind of heavy, but it's heavy because there's a, I'm assuming it's a pair of jeans, probably full length, I would hope, because I don't like cropped jeans. And then I guess it's 1, 2, 3, 4 tops. Let's see. Okay, I'm gonna open it up and let you know what I think. Packaged very nicely, by the way. Mine is just the minor dent over here. Everything looks okay. Actually, let me read this as, "Hi Anna, happy fix day. My name is Rachel and I had a lot of fun of styling you today. I'm sorry that we missed the mark on your last fix. Thank you for taking the time to leave us the feedback that you did. It really helps us as we get to know you and your style better." So there's a lot to say, but let's just see what's in here. Okay, so the first item that I'm gonna pull out is these jeans. So they definitely look like they're cropped. They're probably, I would assume, ankle length. They are stretchy, which is good, but they don't seem high-rise, but on the tag it says that they are high-rise. So okay, I guess I'm gonna have to try them on and really see how they fit. All right, so the next top I have is this. It's like a blousey top. Okay, so I think I did in my preferences many moons ago put in that I don't love purple. Like, I like it as a color, but just like not on me. So I don't know how I feel about this, but otherwise it's really cute. The only thing, it might be, let me see if I can stand up. It might be just a little short, but sorry for all the noise, but I don't know, we'll see. But I do remember them asking about, you know, specific colors, and I am pretty sure that I said that I don't want anything purple. Okay, so then I have this top, which is pretty. It's a quite busy pattern, but it feels really soft, and it's just like stretchy and flowy. So this is definitely kind of like right up my alley. Okay, I kind of like this, even though it's a little busy, but it's cute. So it seems like Stitch Fix sells a lot of styles that look very similar to this, so I definitely like the style. I like the colors for fall. I think it's pretty, and it's a pretty pattern, and it's light and it's flowy, which is also really nice for me. So that might be a contender. All right, next piece. the last piece that I have here. Okay, so very similar, I guess, to the last one, more or less. I mean, it's different, but yet similar. It's a little bit longer in the back, and it has, I think, what do they call this? Like a keyhole opening. And the material also feels very, very nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Okay, so I'm gonna turn this off for a split second and I'll be back in like no time, but I'm going to try all of these pieces and I'll come back and let you know if I like them, how they felt, how they fit, and what I'm going to keep and what I'm going to send back, if I'm gonna send back anything, because you never know. Because I think in one of my fixes there was a few items that I wasn't sure about, but then I tried it on and I was like, oh my gosh, like it fits and feels amazing. So anyways, let me do this and I'll be right back. So these jeans, a definite no for me. So a few things that I don't like. I haven't even seen how much they cost, but they are ankle length, which I don't like. They're definitely a little bit big. This is size 12, but I could probably use a size. And like when you look at the wash here, it kind of looks okay, but when you look at it like, you know, like on your full leg, I'm just like not feeling this wash, this jean wash. So these jeans are a definite no for me, and the cost of these jeans are $78. Okay, so next, this top, and I'll tell you what's the problem with this top. So first of all, it looks boxy, like it's like a box, right? To me, it almost has like no shape to it, to this thing, to this blouse. So I knew I wasn't gonna like the length because it's a little bit too short for me. Second of all, I have really broad shoulders, so having these whatever sleeves they're called, like these ruffles on the sleeves, it just makes me that much more broader, and I just don't like that look. And plus this color is just not my favorite on me at all, so it's definitely a no. So this blouse, so it's $88, and I would never pay $88 for this. So this one is a no. Okay, I originally said that I loved this. It feels so soft, so smooth, just like amazing feel. But here's a little problem. So when you put it on, if you kind of keep it like this is a little too much. So I would have to really be careful where I would wear it, because it's just showing a little bit too much and I'm not comfortable with that. And then if you pick this up a little bit higher, then it kind of like creates this like split in between your top area, and I don't like that look, you know, like I would like it to be just like smooth like this. But anyways, so this one is kind of like I'm not sure about it. And the price of this one, it's $54, and for me, like $54 for a top, that's like I'm not sure about it. It's not really like something that I want to keep, because I'll probably just end up wearing it in a very few places, and not like an everyday top, because that it's, you know, once you like bend down a little bit, you see a lot of stuff. Okay, this top is beautiful. It's perfect. It fits me so well. Love the material. It's just a really great piece. It's a little bit busy, but I don't mind. I just have to be mindful to tell them that on my next fix, please don't make things so busy. Don't send me things that are so busy. So this is $48, which is, I think, is pretty reasonable. and I really do. I really love it. If you hear any background noise, I'm so sorry. My kids are just like bouncing around in the other room. Okay, so now this top I knew I was gonna love because I've had a few tops from them that are this style, just different colors and stuff, and just maybe just like a little different details. So this one is, let me see, it's $64, which is a little bit on the higher end, but I really like it. So I think the winners for me are just these two tops. The jeans, too big, ankle length, and I'm not feeling the jean wash. The purple top, it's like very boxy, and these ruffly sleeves make me look even more broader, and I don't like that look. And the other one just has a little bit, like, I mean, I have dresses obviously that, you know, show a lot more, but for like an everyday top, not feeling it. Grand total for this box is $332. If I buy everything, I get a 25% discount code, which is $83. So then my grand total comes out to be $249. Now I also have $20 credit with them, and then the free shipping. So then my grand total comes out to be $229. So if I was gonna keep everything, $229, it sounds a lot better than $332. I mean, that's like a whole $100 difference. If I just keep these two tops, this one is $64 and this one is $48. So then I'm gonna be paying, I think, about $112 for two of these tops. I have to think about it, honestly. I don't know. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them. $112 for two tops sounds like a lot. I don't know. It's like the numbers and all these things just like mess with my head. But anyways, kind of happy, kind of disappointed. But I guess, you know, it happens. You're not gonna love every fix. So then over here, they kind of show you, you know, how you could style items. This is one of the tops that I got. I think this is, yeah, this is that purple top. I just, like, I'm not digging the sleeves. These are the jeans. And then what else? Oh, and this is that brown, oops. This is that brown top, that another top that I like. So I think that's about it. I'm really gonna have to go back and forth a little bit and figure out whether I want to spend the $112 on these two tops, but I do like them. I do like them a lot, and I think they would be a great addition to my wardrobe. But unfortunately, the other three pieces, I will have to send them back, and I just have to be a little bit more, I guess, creative with my words, because you could only write so much in the description about like what you want to get, what you like, what you didn't like, and what you hope to get and what you hope not to get. So I just have to be very creative and just put it all in there, and hopefully next time I'll get a fix and I'll end up keeping everything. Anyways, thank you so much for spending this time with me, for watching my video. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel and the algorithm and all of that beautiful YouTube stuff. And don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.